Pismo Beach, the heart of California's Central Coast. Beneath its beauty, there's a lot going on. If you were right here only hours ago, you'd find Cal Poly's Marine Conservation Lab hard at work. Each month, dozens of students disrupt their circadian rhythms to take part in important biological research. Come with us now for your first look into a Cal Poly Pismo Clam survey. How did these scientists get here? Buckle up, because you're about to find out. By 3:30, most of the team has shaken out the cobwebs, and they now get ready together in the parking lot.
Good morning, everybody.
It's moments like these where the lab becomes a community. This is where you'll meet Marissa. She's the graduate student currently leading this project, and the one sending you all of those bio department survey emails.
Hi, I'm Marissa. I'm a grad student in the bio department here at Cal Poly, currently leading the Pismo Clam project. This project is part of Ben Rettenberg's larger marine conservation lab at Cal Poly SLO. Our lab studies all kinds of different questions related to Pismo clams in California, but one of our main research projects is understanding how their populations are doing locally. A really big component of that is a long-term monitoring project where we go out to Pismo Beach every single month and conduct clam surveys. These surveys are a ton of fun, but they're also a ton of work, and that's where Cal Poly undergrads come to the rescue. Doing these surveys every single month allows Cal Poly students to come out and volunteer with us to help us collect this data. It would literally not be possible without them.
Thanks, Marissa. From the parking lot, we now turn our attention to the intertidal zone. Here, the group is split into smaller teams. Each team has a team leader, a member of the Marine Conservation Lab, who will fill in their group on survey procedure. You'll learn the specifics of digging a transect in person, but the basics go like this. A transect is a series of samples from the beach that extends perpendicular to the water. Your team will count and measure all of the Pismo clams in your transect. Once your team leader's picked a starting spot, it's time to dig. And with a cart full of sand, you'll head to the water. Out here, you'll use buckets of water to wash away the sand, revealing buried treasure, the study species. Back on the beach, it's time to collect the clams and deliver them to your team's data station. After each clam is measured and accounted for, the team reburies the sample. Think you got it? Let's try together.
Dig! Dunk! Data! And don't forget, distribute.
In just 4 short hours, the sun has risen and the group has contributed a valuable piece of data to the lab's conservation efforts. Though it might not be the most charismatic study species, the Pismo Clam is vital for the environment. As both a food source and a filter feeder maintaining water quality, this invertebrate helps balance the intertidal zone. In the same way, volunteers like you are vital for the work that the Marine Conservation Lab does. Without you, there would be no Pismo Clam project. Almost all of the members of Team Tavela started out right here on an early morning, weary-eyed at their first survey. Now, they're a part of something more. A community dedicated to helping a cause that is bigger than themselves. A cause that they've learned can only change one survey at a time. And if that doesn't convince you to come out, Marissa also brings donuts.